Hello there, welcome to another episode on Elsa Alchemy. Today in this video we are going to see how to make unbelievably delicious pork belly strip recipe. Let's get started. I took about 10 or 12 pieces of medium-sized pork belly and broke them down into thin slices. Each thin slice is further cut into strips to get them cooked faster. Something like this. We then add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, salt to taste. Now wash your hands before you give them a good mix. We then get a wok, because this is a Chinese-style honey garlic pork recipe. Tell me that sounds churro. I hope I said that right. I have used groundnut oil for this pork belly strip recipe. And you can use any oil that's good for frying. Once it's smoking hot, just add in the pork belly strips. Give it a good mix in the hot oil. And then leave it untouched in medium flame. Once you see that it's beginning to shrink, just flip them over to the other side so that they get evenly cooked. Once flipped, again let it cook down until we get a crispy pork belly strips. We are looking for something like this. Right now, it's browned on all sides, so it's time to get the pork belly strips onto a plate. Now we want a glaze on the pork belly, so let's get our aromatics in. But before that, let's reduce the oil in the wok. We just need a tablespoon of oil, so let's remove the rest. First add in thinly sliced ginger, then thinly sliced garlic, cook them down. Then we add 2 tablespoons of sriracha or hot chili sauce, then honey, up about 2 tablespoons, sprinkle of crushed red pepper, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, then 2 tablespoons of tamari. Give it a mix. Now to thicken the sauce, let's mix 2 tablespoons of water in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix, mix, mix. And then add it to the wok. Once it's thickened up, let's add in the crispy pork belly strips. Coat them well so that each pork belly strip is evenly covered. Now you can replace pork with chicken or tofu or even mushrooms. This recipe works even then. Once it's reached a glazed, dry look, you can serve them as it is over rice or even along a salad. Now we usually have it with rice and bok choy. Speaking of bok choy, if you want to know how to cook bok choy, then check this video. Or if you want to know how to cook jasmine rice, then check this video out. And I shall see you in another video. Take care.